Now these animals do need to eat about 13 to 15% of their body weight every day, which would be like you or I eating maybe 20 or 25 cheeseburgers, quite a bit of food. And they will search up to 100 miles a day in search of that amount of food. But they are not a migratory whale, they are non-migratory, so they do stay within this general area within 100 miles or so. Actually, the only whale that we get actively migrating through the area here would be the gray whale, which is happening right now. They come from Alaska, they go down to Baja, Mexico. Most all the other whales that we see in the area are here to feed and looking for this sort of situation right here. Blue whales feed on krill, which you wouldn't find dolphin or these birds, but all those other finback, humpback, minke whale, Bride's whale, all those feed on these fin bait too. So good little show for us here. Going to turn up into them here again, guys. We're going to do a big loop around them, and then we're going to have to kind of point it towards home. You have to come quite a ways out here, and we need to be back at a certain time to get off the dock on time for the next trip here. But there's a very good chance we will see something on the way home. It's a big open ocean out here. Animals could have moved in behind us as we moved out. So we're just going to make a big loop, turn it back towards home.